Hello everyone, we will be walking you through the steps of how to install the Whitestone dome glass for your Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Here are the components that comes within your kit. There are 2 bottles of LOCA, also known as Advanced Liquid Optical Clear Adhesive, included in your pack. The second one is a backup in case you make a mistake before carrying. Make sure you unregister any existing fingerprints you already added in your phone. You can turn up your sensitivity settings to the max to increase the responsiveness of your phone. Power off your phone and make sure your table is level. This is a highly important step. Please be aware your table is leveled. If you are not aware, your Note 10/Note 10 Plus comes with a pre-installed plastic screen protector. You must remove this and any other films or protectors before installing your dome glass. Please wipe off your screen with an alcohol pad. Make sure you get along the edges. Go ahead and dry it off with a cleaning cloth. Place your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus in the bottom tray, making sure your speaker is at the top as indicated. Go ahead and add the adhesive tape to cover the speaker in order to prevent the adhesive from flowing all the way to the speaker. The edge of the tape should also be even with the top of the tray. Now, let's begin the installation process. Go ahead and use the large removal sticker to remove any dust that is currently on your screen. Place the top tray over your phone. Go ahead and insert your absorption pad on the sides of your phone. Add the pin on top of your tray. Place the position bridge over your phone. Grab one of the tubes of LOCA, twist the colored cap, and place it inside the round hole of the position bridge. After you twist the black cap, allow all of the adhesive to pour out of the bottle. After all of the adhesive have flown, go ahead and remove the bridge. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and place the glass inside the tray. Start at the bottom and carefully lean onto the pin. This is part of the new installation guide. One side has a rectangle on it and the other side is completely smooth. Place the small suction cup on the smooth side above the circle. Carefully place the guide into the grooves on the bottom and lean it against the glass. Highlight, highlight, highlight. This is very important. We are slowing down the video speed to emphasize on this very, very, very important part. Please watch carefully. There are 4 key steps I will be going over before we demonstrate in the video. Step number 1. Carefully tilt the tray down by pressing down on the bottom of the tray case. Step number 2. Wait until the liquid adhesive reaches just before the bottom of the guided circle. Step 3. Release the bottom of the tray so it is level again. And finally, step 4. Pull the pin and let the glass drop. Wait around 80 seconds for it to completely spread so that it reaches all of the corners. If you have an issue, you can wash your phone and the glass with water and then try again as long as it is done before the first carrying. Next, place the UV lights at the bottom and cure it for 15 seconds. After you have done so, go ahead and move it to the top and cure it for another 15 seconds. Remove the top tray case, adhesive tape, and carefully remove your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus from the bottom tray. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad along the edges. For stage 2, we will finish the carrying process by placing the UV light again at the bottom part for 1 minute and then at the top for another minute. Repeat this process and cure it for 1 more minute at the bottom and then 1 final minute at the top. Alright, that is it. Your dome glass is installed. Now, let's go ahead and re-add your fingerprint registration. We recommend you to register the same finger 2 different times at different angles. By registering your finger in different angles, this will allow your sensors to better read your fingerprints. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Enjoy a whole new touch and a flawless edge-to-edge protection only Dome Glass provides. Have a wonderful day. If you purchase your Dome Glass from an authorized seller, then it includes a limited lifetime warranty.